sa laro na to, no? And sa series na to. What a series para sa Batang Abra Weavers and Caloocan Batang Kangkalu. Just again, we've been mentioning it the entire game. Palitan lang ng runs. We've seen a lot of highlights sa buong series na to. A lot of heroes for either teams. But in the end, it was Batang Abra Weavers. It was Lawrence Mangubat. It was VJ Pre and Mac Alfanta just securing that ticket to the national finals.
What a series indeed. Tama ka rin dyan. What a treat dito sa crowd natin. And the entire Manny Pacquiao Jr. MPBL fan base. It will be the Batang Abra Weavers Lamtex to advance sa ating national finals of our Manny Pacquiao Jr. MPBL D-League season number 2. They will be crowned our North Division champions. Fortunately para sa Batang Kangkalu, this will be the end of their season 2 campaign.